We all know that space is weird as it is. Its mysteriousness is precisely the reason why people were fascinated with the night sky and space exploration since the beginning of life on Earth. There are things that are beyond our comprehension and that defy our traditional laws of physics. Hence, no matter how hard we try to understand and explain our vast universe, there will always be mysteries out there that are yet to be unraveled. We have been hardly able to explore our world, but yes, we have just scratched the surface of Mars. But there are these planets millions and millions of miles away from Earth who are just filled with wonders, so much so that it's actually hard to believe. Today, we are going to become imaginary astronauts, get into our space suits, and get onto a journey far beyond Earth. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Every subscription, every like is a boost to the channel and helps in the channel growing. Let's get some basics cleared before we begin. The surface temperature of Sun is 5778 Kelvin. The surface temperature of Earth is approximately 14 degrees centigrade. The Earth's distance from Sun is 151 million kilometers. And most of the planets will be compared with Jupiter. So the radius of Jupiter is 69,911 kilometer and the mass of Jupiter is 1.898 into 10 to the power 27 kgs. The surface area is 61.42 billion kilometers square and distance from Sun of Jupiter is 778.5 million kilometer. Today we are going to see 5 planets that defy all laws of physics. Our first planet is named as Kepler 78b, located at a distance of 400 light years from Earth. This was discovered on November 5th, 2013. The Kepler 78b is the first planet to be found orbiting the star KIC 8435766b, now known as Kepler 78. The planet was discovered in 2013 by analyzing data from the Kepler Space Telescope. The Kepler 78b is similar to our planet Earth. This exoplanet is in the Cygnus constellation. Kepler 78b orbits its parent star once every 8.5 hours and it is 40 times closer to its Sun than Mercury is to our Sun. That makes the planet's surface extremely hot, around 2300 Kelvin to 3100 Kelvin. This temperature is high enough to have stripped the planet of any stable atmosphere, but the liquid and the solid portion of the planet should be stable. The planet reflects around 20% to 60% of the starlight it receives. But due to the high surface temperature of 2300 Kelvin to 3100 Kelvin, which is caused by the distance of the planet from its star, which is 550,000 miles, the planet could be considered to be a lava planet with the surface being covered by hot lava rather than an Earth-like planet. Our next planet is known as TRACE 2b and it is located 750 light years away from Earth and was discovered on August 21, 2006 and confirmed on September 8, 2006. The planet has been identified in 2011 as the darkest known exoplanet, reflecting less than 1% of the light that hits it. The planet's mass and radius indicate that it is a giant gas with a bulk composition similar to that of Jupiter. But unlike Jupiter, TRACE 2b is located very close to its star and belongs to the class of planets known as hot Jupiters. It is not clear why the planet is so dark. One reason could be an absence of reflective clouds, such as those which make Jupiter so bright, but due to TRACE 2b's proximity to its parent star and the consequent high temperature, another reason could be the presence of an atmosphere of light absorbing chemicals such as vaporized sodium, potassium, or gaseous titanium oxide. This planet is officially known as the planet which is darker than coal. Our next planet is HD 189733b. It is only located 63 light years away from Earth and was discovered on 5th of October 2005. Scientists at the University of Warwick determined that it has winds up to 8,700 kilometers per hour or 5,400 miles per hour blowing from the day side to the night side. The planet gets its deep, beautiful azure color from the planet's strange atmosphere, which is actually made up of mostly silicate atoms and particles. The wind speed on the planet can actually reach as high as 5400 miles per hour, which is actually around 2 kilometers per second. Temperatures can also reach way over 900 degrees centigrade. What is horrid and frightening about this planet is that it literally rains glass sideways along with unbearably fast winds. If this exact storm were somehow to occur in the equator on Earth, it would travel all the way around the Earth in just a mere 5.5 hours. The weather on this planet is actually deadly. Observations of this planet have actually found that it rains molten glass. Our next planet is known as HAT P7b. This planet is located 1044 light years away from Earth and was discovered on March 5, 2008. Condensation models of HAT P7b predicts precipitation of AI-203, which is corundum, on the night side of the planet's atmosphere. Because corundum gems are rubies and sapphires, one can describe the hypothetical weather on the planet night as raining rubies and sapphires. The planet also suffers from violent storms, so it is likely that these rubies and sapphires were scattered planet-wide. Would you like to stand in a rain where it's raining rubies and sapphires or different gems from the sky? Let me know in the comments. With this, we come to our final planet for today's video. The final planet name is 55 Cancri e. It is located 40 light years away and was discovered on 30th August 2004. The side of the planet facing its star has temperatures more than 2000 Kelvin, hot enough to melt iron. Now 55 Cancri e is a solid planet made of carbon-rich material rather than the oxygen-rich material that makes up the terrestrial planets in our solar system. It is twice the size of Earth, but it is nearly 8 times more massive and twice as dense. The parent star has much more carbon than our own sun, and the mass of the planet is thought to be largely carbon. Due to the pressure and average maximum surface temperature of 4417 degree Fahrenheit, which is 2400 degree centigrade, this super Earth is believed to be a diamond planet. It is so close to its parent star, it takes only 18 hours for the planet to complete a full orbit. As usual, if you like this video, help the channel by subscribing to the channel and also smashing the like button.